Do you feel stiffness in your spine or sluggish digestion? Ardha Matsyendrasana or half spinal twist might be the twist your body needs today. Welcome back to the Seeker's Mat. I am Tushar, and today we will explore the powerful benefits and the correct way to do Ardha Matsyendrasana, a very important seated spinal twist in yoga. The name Ardha Matsyendrasana comes from a very famous yogi named Matsyendranath. Ardha means half, and this spinal twist revitalizes your spine, stimulates your digestion, and tones abdominal organ. This asana is especially helpful for those with lower back tightness and those who are living a very sedentary life. Sit with your legs extended forward. Bend your right knee and place the right foot outside your left thigh. Now fold the left leg and place the left heel close to the right hip. Optional for beginner to keep the left leg extended. Inhale, bring your left arm up. Exhale, twist to the right, bringing your left elbow outside your right knee. Now place your right hand behind for support and gaze over your right shoulder. Now breathe deeply for 5 to 8 breaths. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Avoid hunching the back. Don't force the twist. Work with your breath. Keep the chest lifted and the twist gentle. Avoid this asana if you have severe back injury, hernia, or are in early months of pregnancy. Always perform under the guidance if you have any kind of spinal condition. Twists are like detox for the spine. Try practicing this daily and observe the changes on your posture and digestion. Don't forget to hit like, share with your fellow seeker, and subscribe to the Seeker Mat for more such yoga journeys.